So today we'll be doing something on a urine drug test, and we will actually break it down into details so that at the end of the day we get a real insight of what goes down when the doctor orders for a urine drug test. This is George's Solution, a channel that majorly speaks about medical issues affecting our day-to-day lives and laboratory procedures. If you're new to this channel, if that interests you, just be sure to hit the subscribe button. So first of all, let us know what a urine drug test is. So a urine drug test, it is also known as a urine screening test, and it is a test that the doctor orders when there is a suspicion, or the doctor suspects that maybe you are using some illegal drugs, or when you are using some illegal prescription medicines in your system. So some institutions may also order a urine drug test, and also the court might order a urine drug test, and some employers may also want to know if their employees are exposed to certain substances in their system. And for example, if you are a truck driver, it will be really bad if you could be using drugs while you are driving the truck. So some of the substances that the urine drug test screens are amphetamines, benzodiazepines, barbiturates, marijuana, cocaine, PCP, methadone, and opioids. Opioids are just narcotics. So alcohol can also be screened when you are doing a urine drug test. Your primary doctor may order this test if they suspect that you have a problem with drugs or alcohol. Also, in an emergency room, a doctor may request for the test if you are showing some confused behaviors, or you seem strange and dangerous to other. Basically, two types of urine drug tests. So we have the immunoassays, whereby it is generally very cheap and cost effective, and it is fairly very quick, but it also has a few of the drawbacks. For example, it doesn't pick up on opioids, and also sometimes may give false positive results. A false positive results occurs when the results come back positive for the drugs, but there are no drugs that an individual is using. So this is a false positive results. So we also have other tests like gas chromatography and mass spectrophotometry, which are more sensitive and accurate, but they are a bit expensive. So the immunoassays are the most common type of urine drug test, and they don't actually measure the drug itself, but they measure how your body interacts with the drug. When you take in a foreign substance in your body, there's how the body will interact with the blood, and it will produce antibodies and against the drug. So the drug is the antigen, so the body will produce antibodies against the antigen itself. So it is these antibodies that are produced that the immunoassay test will look for and provide results. So the results are usually given in milligrams, but the tests are reported as positive or negative to the individual that is being tested for the urine drug test. So right away, I will take you to my colleague Bill. Bill Onyora is a medical laboratory scientist, and he will explain to us in details how the test is actually done in the laboratory.
We use a specific kit when we are doing the toxicological assay test. This kit is known as multi-drug test panel. It has the control and the test. It has its own cap that has to be removed, where the sample should not touch the plastic device when it has been placed in the urine. We have the parameters, which are the amphetamine, cocaine, cannabis, opiates, methamphetamines, benzodiazepines, barbiturates, methadone, morphine, phencyclidine also. It has the control and the test. Here, when you read it, it shows that when it shows the two lines, it means that it is negative. And when it has only the control, it shows that it is positive only. So the kit is supposed to be placed when having a polypot, and the urine is not supposed to touch the green part. The urine is not supposed to touch, and you are supposed to put the kit in the urine for 5 minutes, then remove it then close the cap. After closing the cap, you allow the kit to rest for like about 10 to 20 minutes. When the kit has rested for the next 10-20 minutes, it is going to indicate the lines after a few minutes, and it is going to show if that person has been having the drugs in the body, which are always being detected in the urine. And most of the patients who normally use cannabis, it is the balm, it will be detected. So
Bill explaining how the test actually goes down in the laboratory. So in case of a positive result, there are more specific tests that can be done to the urine drug test, and this is when we now go for the gas chromatography and spectrophotometry to test for the substances in case as a confirmatory test for urine drug test immunoassay. So that was that. If you like the video, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and also you might suggest to me whatever you want me to do next time. Also, you might add your views, comment, like, share, tell me what you think about urine drug test. I will highly appreciate your feedback.